Elevate your English, everyday words verses. IELTS Band 8 Vocabulary. One of the most major problems for advanced English learners is growing their vocabulary. To meet the requirements of high-stakes exams such as the IELTS, International English Language Testing System, achieving a Band 8 on the IELTS involves not just a thorough knowledge of the language, but also the ability to utilize sophisticated vocabulary correctly and appropriately. In this guide, we'll look at the differences between everyday words and the more complex vocabulary required to thrive at the IELTS Band 8 level. Everyday words versus IELTS Band 8 vocabulary. 1. Basic understanding. Everyday vocabulary includes typical words and phrases used in daily talks. These terms are fundamental to basic communication and are understood by nearly all English speakers. Examples include the phrases happy, sad, important, and big. IELTS Band 8 vocabulary consists of complex and nuanced words. These terms frequently carry specific connotations and are used to convey exact meanings. They are less frequently employed in everyday talks, but they are critical for academic and professional communication. Examples include elated, melancholic, crucial, and substantial. Examples and explanations. 2 common words versus advanced synonyms. Happy versus elated. Everyday word, happy, she expressed happiness upon getting the gift. IELTS Band 8 word, elated, she was ecstatic after getting the unexpected gift. Sad versus melancholic. Everyday word, sad, he felt sad after hearing the news. IELTS Band 8 word, melancholic, he was depressed after hearing the sad news. Important versus crucial. Everyday word, important. It is critical to complete the project on time. IELTS Band 8 word, critical, meeting the deadline is critical to the project's success. Big versus substantial. Everyday word, big. They gave a significant donation to the organization. IELTS Band 8 word, large, they provided a large donation to the charity, which had a big impact on funding. Contextual usage. 3. Applying advanced vocabulary in context. Everyday sentence, the teacher emphasized the need of studying hard for the exam. IELTS Band 8 sentence, the instructor emphasized the importance of intense study sessions for exam success. Explanation, using educator instead of teacher and engage in rigorous study sessions instead of study hard raises the sentence's level. This indicates a greater level of proficiency and comprehension of the language. Practical tips for expanding vocabulary. 4. Diverse reading. Build a strong vocabulary for IELTS Band 8 by reading a variety of materials. Academic publications, smart newspapers such as The Guardian and the New York Times, and literature are useful sources. Pay attention to unusual terms, research their definitions, and practice using them in sentences. 5. Using vocabulary lists. IELTS specific vocabulary lists categorize words by theme. Study these lists on a regular basis and try to incorporate them into your writing and speaking practice. This practice not only broadens your vocabulary but also improves your comprehension of word nuances. 7. Writing practice. Use advanced vocabulary when writing essays, reports, and diary entries. 6. Practice synonyms and antonyms. For each common term, acquire at least 2 advanced synonyms and antonyms. This reinforces the words in your memory and allows you to grow more comfortable speaking them in context. 8. Practice speaking skills by engaging in conversations and employing advanced terminology. If you don't have a partner, try recording yourself speaking on several topics and listening back to identify areas for development. Examples of IELTS Band 8 vocabulary in real-life settings. 9. Academic context. Every day, the experiment's findings were significant for the study. IELTS Band 8. The results of the experiment were critical to the study's success. 10. Professional context. Each day, the organization seeks to increase revenue. IELTS Band 8. The company must develop a strategy to increase its revenue streams. 11. Social context. Every day, she generously supported the project. IELTS Band 8. She provided a big cash donation to help the project progress. By incorporating advanced vocabulary into your reading, writing, speaking, and listening routines, you can greatly improve your language skills. With dedication and effort, you may learn the advanced vocabulary required to score high on the IELTS and flourish in academic and professional settings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Please subscribe and click the notification button.